Hello, this is your girl, Twala Cole, aka Sister Cole. Good evening. How are you guys doing this good Wednesday evening? I hope that you all are doing well, and just know you are blessed and highly favored, and it is not over until God says it's over. And no matter where you're at in life, you can always get up and do it again. Amen. And be great. Okay. All right. So tonight I am going to be making some buffalo chicken wings. All right. I don't know. Like earlier today when I was at work, I was like, you know what? I want me some buffalo chicken wings. So I made sure, I went and got all the ingredients and stuff that I need. This is a really, really easy recipe, okay? And I'm going to show you guys. You can follow along with it. And it's very, very simple, but it's very tasty, okay? And you know what I need you to do? I need you to subscribe, hit that bell, like, leave a comment. All right? That's right. Hit it right there. Okay, so you guys know the first thing that you must do is to wash your meat. My meat has already been washed. I washed it with vinegar and salt. And I made sure I rubbed the meat together. I, made sure I scrubbed it, washed it really, really well because I don't cook with dirty chicken, okay? I don't cook with dirty hands. You got to make sure your hands are very, very clean, okay? Let's get that straight, all right? All right, now you want to make sure that your buffalo wings, want to make sure that all the water is drained off, and you're going to pat the chicken with paper towel, because you want to make sure that the chicken is dry. All right, okay. All right, and the dry seasoning that I'm using is some garlic, okay? I'm using garlic. All right. Black pepper and salt. Though that's the seasoning that I'm using for the chicken. All right. So I'm going to put my little garlic in there. Put a nice generous amount. I'm going to put pepper. All right. Now I'm not going to don't go crazy with the pepper, but put enough because you don't want the chicken to taste like, black pepper. You understand that? Because black pepper, if you put a lot of it, it'll kind of drown out your other seasoning. So see, that's what it looked like. And then you're going to make sure you mix it very well. You all right? You don't be scared. Get in there. Get your clean hands in there. And you make sure you mix the chicken very well. I want to make sure that every piece of my chicken have seasoning on it. Like I always said, I don't want no, big old food on my plate that's not seasoned. All right, you guys got it? All right. Look at that. I'm seasoning it. I'm making sure everything has seasoning on it. All right. I'm also going to add some paprika for color. Okay? I'm going to add some paprika for color. Now, another thing is, I don't like when I'm cooking meat for it not to have any color either. Because I believe that that's not pleasing to the eye, to have your meat that's looking, white sitting up on your plate. I believe that it needs some color. You understand? Seasoning and color. Because presentation is also very important. Because generally, if you see meat and it's white, it just says that, hey, there's no seasoning on that meat. All right, so now look at the color. Very nice. All right. All right, so now we're going to add the chicken to the pot. My oil has been on for a while. Okay, it's on medium high. It's on medium high. Okay, be careful as you put it in. I'm going to spread it out after I get it in. Okay, so there you go. You put the chicken inside of the pot. All right, and we're going to make sure it's fried until it's done. Make sure you put enough oil in the pot. Because that's a big mistake some people do. They don't put enough oil in the pot. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm going to make my sauce to put on the chicken, my hot sauce. So I added like a half a stick of butter or maybe a stick of butter. Okay, I'm going to add it to inside of my saucepan, okay? My fire is on low. All right, so you add the butter in there. All right, so then I'm adding some garlic powder to the stain. I'm going to add some hot sauce. This right here is the Louisiana hot sauce. So I'm adding some hot sauce to the pot. You turn it down a little bit more lower. All right, you add it to your likings of how hot you want it. So I'm generous with it. All right. I'm going to add some vinegar. Okay. Then I'm going to add a little soy sauce. Okay. And then stir. And that's your sauce. Okay? All right, so we stir up the sauce, and when everything melts out, we are going to add our chicken, and make sure that all the sauce gets on our chicken. Okay, and that's basically it. That's the recipe right there. Okay, so now my sauce is done. Okay.
Smells hot.
And now I'm going to add the chicken with my clean hands into the sauce. Okay? I didn't make it juicy like a whole lot, and then make it like juicy. And that's because I want the chicken, my wings, to be covered, you know, nice and covered, right? Nice and covered. I don't want it to be like stew, because I'm not making stew. Oh, Jesus, I cracked myself up. I'm not making stew. What I'm making is what? Buffalo wings. Spicy buffalo wings. So I don't want it to like drowning in sauce like I'm making stew. Come on. All right, this is the finished product, honey. Honey. Lord, those under the sound of my voice, please look at these buffalo wings or spicy wings, whatever you want to. Please, honey. When I tell you that these wings are seasoned to the daggone bone, oh so good. With that little hot sauce, little special hot sauce I made. When I tell you that it tastes delicious, trust and believe that it does. Trust and believe that it does. Go ahead, take a bite. Go ahead. Take a bite. Pick up one. Eat it. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe to my page so that you can see more of Twala's recipes, okay? And thank you for your support. And thank you to those who have subscribed to my page.